For lesson 13.5, we're going to relate area and perimeter. So we're going to list all the possible lengths and widths of rectangles with an area of 12. So area, 12 square feet. All the possible factors for 12 include 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Let's do the commutative property. 12 times 1, 6 times 2, 4 times 3. Okay, write this down. You may pause whenever you need to. So 1 times 12 would be 1 for length, 12 for width. And if we would like to do the commutative property, we can also go the long way, 12, and then with the width of 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we have here 12 feet times 1 foot. And that gives us an area of 12. Okay. Something else to look at would be, what does this give us for perimeter? Well, we've got 1 foot, 1 foot, 12 feet, 12 feet. You add them all up, and a perimeter on a side note would be to add up all the sides, and we would get 12 plus 12 is 24, 1 plus 1, 2 more is 26. Perimeter of 26 feet and an area of 12. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at 2 times 6. I think I can put it over here. Let me see. No. Where would I like to squeeze this? Here, let's give it room. 2, a length of 2, and then a length of 6, width of 2. I'm going to divide this into 2. And what we get is 2 feet times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no wonder this one looks so big. Okay, 6 feet. And we get an area of 12. Okay, so here we have 2 feet, and here we have 6 feet once I make my little boxes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This gives us an area of 12 because you multiply for area. And if we wanted to find the perimeter, then you plug in your other numbers as a review. And what do you get? You add 6 plus 6 is 12, 4 plus 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 12 plus 4 gives you a perimeter of, yep, 16 feet. Okay, so they have an area of 12 square feet with a perimeter of 16 feet. That is how we relate area and perimeter. You multiply to get the area, you add the sides to get the perimeter. And we could continue with making a model for 3 times 4 and 4 times 3, but I'll leave that one for you. I'd like to share another kind of problem that you will see when you have to relate area and perimeter. You have to draw a rectangle and it's going to have these dimensions. An area of 9 square units. Remember that we had square units here. And a perimeter of 12. Okay, well, you need a starting point. You're probably thinking, well, how do I start? And here we go. You make some notes to yourself. If I need 9 as an area, I know that I would multiply 1 times 9 or 3 times 3. Okay, well, now you ask yourself, which one of these do I choose because I need a perimeter of 12? If I add 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9, I get 18, 19, 20. If I add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I get 12. And that is what the directions asked for, an area of 9 and a perimeter of 12. So I'm going to draw a simple rectangle and this rectangle is going to be a square because it said 3 units times 3, 3, and 3, so that I get a perimeter of 12. Okay, so here was the challenge. Here is the strategy you use. You write the factors and you decide which one will give you the right perimeter. I'll do it one more time. Perimeter would equal, and since this is a square, remember you can also use that formula. 4 times sides means 4 times 3. And you get 12. Remember, you can also do length times width, and that one was done here. Okay. For area, you simply multiply the two sides, 3 times 3, and you get 9. And that met this criteria right here. And that is how you relate area and perimeter.